Welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a bit different. Just a quick video on a Guzzi Norge fuel line connector, the bane of my existence. And I think I've got it sorted enough to where I can reliably remove it. First off, you don't really have to remove it. You can just gently pivot the tank aside. A nice warm day makes some sense. But if that fuel line was so brittle that it snapped, it wasn't robust enough to be doing 140 miles an hour and definitely needed to be replaced. So in the winter months, I keep my fuel tank full, take a lesson from small airplane people who always keep their tanks full to keep condensation out. You got 6 gallons in there and 6 pounds a gallon. It's heavy. So I block up my tank. First, I block it up just a little bit. And I look in there and I see what's connected and see what's going on. Maybe even see the problem I'm actually going for. If I don't see it there, then I'll block it up a little bit higher and then make sure the hoses are disconnected and stuff, so get ready for removal. And I have never ever had a fuel tank been blocked up like this fall down ever, until I fired up my GoPro, and sure enough, it frickin' fell down. Bike was vibrating. It's on a side stand. Totally my fault, my bad. I deserved to get bit. I thought, well, there's got to be a better way. And sure enough, a nice piece of 2x4 midships is perfect. This is the longest hunk of 2x4 I had, and it's 15 inches, and it is barely long enough. Had it just been another, 4 or 6 inches longer, it would have been perfect. Before I bought this crap tool off eBay, I tried 3 different times to get that connector off my hand, and I couldn't do it. Alrighty, so I'm trying to get my fuel disconnected, the quick disconnect. Haha, got some rags, I got a container, I got a long hose I can plug in if I need to. And I'm going to show you how I'm unable to get this stupid thing. You just wiggle it off, it just comes off. It just wiggles. I've been at this for a while. So I just want to get behind it. So I've got this. Now in modern times, we know first thing to do is to unplug the fuel pump that's located inside the fuel tank and then crank over the motor a bit and to possibly relieve any pressure. Here I am. I'm going to give it one more try, see if I can do it by hand by sliding that plastic ring to the right as I push the hose to the left, compressing it, and then taking the whole assembly off to the right. No way. Didn't work. And even with this crap tool from a 3-pack off eBay, it is still a terrible, terrible struggle. But I can reliably do it now. Well, good luck with yours and whatever is under there you're looking for. And in the comments, are other fuel line connectors this difficult? I miss fuel lines and hose clamps. Much love.
Easy.